In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up a VPN on your Android TV box. If you want a fast, secure way to unblock geo-restricted content and protect your privacy, you can use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and follow along. One of the simplest ways to protect your streaming and unlock geo-restricted content right from your big screen is by using NordVPN. If you own a smart TV that runs Android TV or Google TV, NordVPN works directly with no complicated setups. Let's get started. Why use a VPN on Android TV? First, you can unblock geo-restricted streaming apps, access Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, YouTube TV, and more from different regions. Avoid throttling by your internet provider while streaming, and stay private even while using streaming apps. Protect your smart TV from tracking and data collection. Many people don't realize that your smart TV leaks data just like your phone or laptop, and a VPN helps lock it all down. Installing NordVPN on Android TV is straightforward. First, open the Google Play Store directly on your Android TV or TV box. Search for NordVPN. It's available as a native app. Install the app and open it. Log into your NordVPN account using your credentials. You're now ready to connect and protect your entire streaming experience. Using NordVPN on Android TV is simple. Choose the country you want to connect to. Tap Quick Connect to automatically get the fastest server, or manually select a server based on the streaming service you want to unlock. For example, use US servers for American Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube TV, UK servers for BBC iPlayer, ITV, or Channel 4, and Japan servers for Japanese Netflix. NordVPN also includes extra security features on Android TV. Even though the Android TV version is more streamlined than desktop, you still get encrypted NordLynx protocol, obfuscated servers if needed, and Threat Protection Lite, which blocks ads and trackers right inside your TV apps. If you ever have a TV that doesn't support VPN apps, NordVPN also offers smart DNS that you can configure directly in your TV settings. While it won't give full VPN encryption, it's a quick way to access geo-restricted content. On Android TV, always use the full VPN app whenever possible. Use the link in the description to grab NordVPN at a great price.